Enchekra DV Lottery ebebie registration portal no so the bear obi oye interested say obe apply for American Lottery betimi a register. Meye hu video before 7th October no a ombebie portal no so the bear opese woye wo fie a obetimi ahwe video no na wa wetimi aye registration. Eti bomodi answer obe subscribe na obe click on the like button say o first time and na unya subscribe ya. Entry status check no me the link in the better description box in him to ubetimi a click so enti bomodi answer ubenya o confirmation number no and afin so be kai o last name and afin so no o year of birth or the year registration unya these informations we now they are check o entry status enti you go ahead and fill in with your details. Enti first one no a confirmation number, second one no a o family name we use the year registration. And our third one no we year of birth. And our fourth one there authentication screen characters bia omodi amawa ube enter say the uhu ahase. Enti I'll go ahead and fill in with my details. Okay, enti over here I'm filling in with me details area. Enti I'll go ahead to the authentication page, you know. Na makwa enter characters na me huno. Characters no enye the same. The me who on my screen is no be different from the own so be who screen is. Enti maba authentication field ni ti ube enter characters no say the who screen is no. We are no click on submit. Great. Enti say idea ye fa wa ube who has been selected. But me yan family nti na who has not been selected no. Enti obi nso wo ha ni refi ni confirmation number no. But okai information or the which is last name and year of birth. Iti ebasa na ube click forgot confirmation number. Okay, nti edo ubeba another screen be a ubenya access. I enter o last name, o first name, and our middle name, and our month, day, and our year of birth. And our Facebook email address with the year registration. Nti a honey for ubi and a refi confirmation number. I will click on forgot. Now if you want enter year of birth on the third field. Enti first one ube choose year no as at say me recording me the year 2023. Second field no o family name which is our last name and our first name and as we use middle name so na why enter our middle name no so. On the third field no o date of birth which is month, day and a year. Fourth field no ube enter we email address we use the year registration. To share my fellow media no area. Now for authentication no why enter characters now who screen so. We are no click on submit. Great. Enti the ebe say we click submit na ebekwa fetch information no from the database no na be populate wo field ni mu amount. Enti ehun hia say obesa enter those informations ni nyina bio because akwa retrieve na fill wo fields ni mu amount. Until you just go ahead straight to authentication, you know. Now what enter characters now who screen. Until me say Osha affiliate me informations in amame. Until me confirmation number, my last name, a populating amame, and then my year of birth, a populating so amame. Until I'll go straight to the authentication, my enter characters now me. Until you enter we are now click on submit. Great. Enti me uhwe me de anything ya amfa me enti na hu has not been selected. Enti say ya de ayefa wa obehu has been selected. Afen so bomodi answer obe stay alert. Me drop video na obetimi ahwe so ama watimi aye registration. But as say onya ambehwe.